Welcome all the dignitaries. Please make a big round of applause for all our dignitaries. Extremely privileged to have this opportunity to address you all at this important moment for the celebrating farewell evening for the batch 2021. We welcome all the dignitaries, Honorable Executive Presidents Dr. Mangesh Karad sir, Dr. Aran Chakradev sir, Dr. Mahesh Chopre sir, and all the deans and directors on the dais. This beautiful evening is planned for all the cadets graduating in the year 2021. For the last 3 or 4 years, for the last 3 or 4 years, you guys were together with one heart and one soul for bunking classes, for late night gossips, for birthday celebrations, for group studies, for PTN parades, and yes, how can we forget the most delicious food of the mess? All those days are all set to be a fond memories, which will last forever in your heart. But what you can do is just enjoy these moments with these remaining moments. Be prepared for the most unforgettable journey of your life, an everlasting experience which you will remember for your entire life. Now I would like to request Captain Srirang Gokhale on this dais to feel this occasion with positivity and all the energy. Please big round of applause for Captain Gokhale.
Good evening. Good evening once again. And in such a short period of time, what a wonderful show all these people have put up together. Uh, it is a thought in my mind at the moment that when this topic came about, that let's have some celebration, and Executive President Dr. Mangesh Karad immediately picked it up. He says, yes, go ahead, I'm there with you. And why I say it is particularly important this occasion today is all of us have a reason to celebrate. You will say, what's so great about it? Every year the boys are passing out. Yes, I agree. But this particular batch, be it nautical engineering, they really had to go through a lot of hardship because of pandemic. I really appreciate the effort by the management. Our Boyer sir, he is my teacher. He taught me how to take lectures online. And you guys in different parts of the country attending to the lectures, somewhere attending to those lectures very with a lot of interest. But some they used to keep their computer on and would take their dog for a walk, you know. So all said and done, we have gone through all that, and today you're going out in the real world. Here, it was like a cocoon, you're protected. World out there is waiting for you, and I'm sure that all of you will enjoy it. I met one engineering cadet. I'm very bad in remembering names, so I wrote it down here, Hari Om Sharma. I remember him. I used to take few lectures for him. Brilliant cadet, very good marks he got for all his exams. Finally, he got selected, and he joined the ship, whatever the name of the ship. And guess who is there to welcome him? This is something I must mention. The second engineer on the ship who was already sailing there is ex-Manet. His name is Pratik Bhatnagar. I mean, what a coincidence. Someday, I know, on the VHF, when we talk to each other, we're in the middle of the ocean, the name of Manet will be there. Yeah. I must mention 3 people. Unfortunately, we lost them to COVID. I remember Ajit Surve sir, every day morning, 9 o'clock, I would see him parking his motorbike there, and he had a way of walking, you know, tall fellow, would carry himself really well. And Mrs. Gaikwad, she used to be the ladies section warden there, very smiling and positive looking person. Unfortunately, we lost her to COVID. And Navnath Thombre, you know, I'm sure when you are giving your written test, he would go around with a jug of water, you know, sometimes you want to have a glass of water when you're writing your, and we lost him as well. I cannot go ahead unless I mention them, and we lost them to COVID. All of us here, some of us had a touch of COVID, but we are lucky to survive. And that is the reason I say we must celebrate this evening even more. Celebrate life. I wish you all the very best. Bon voyage. Do well.
Thank you so much, Captain Gokhale. You actually feel the atmosphere with the energy. Big round of applause one more time for Captain Gokhale. Now I would like to request faculty facilitator for HR and department, Professor Pradeep Prabhu sir, to address the cadets.
Very good evening, cadets. I hope you are enjoying the evening. Passing out parade, a special occasion for any cadet. It completes the transformation from a tadpole to a frog, eager to dive into the world of independence. I hope you have taken enough care to grow in every area of your life. Life, after all, is not just nuts, bolts, and spanner. It's much more than that. There are a few cadets who have not been placed yet. Please don't worry. We are there to give you a helping hand until last cadet gets the berth. Captain Kashikar, as he is called in the shipping fraternity, is doing a good job, and he will help us out in this. A few things I would like to share with you on this occasion, which are essential for making a professional career and a wonderful life. Some of them were taboo while I was teaching you. Please read between the lines as I read along. When entrusted with a secret, keep it, because your wife will share it with her mother anyway. Then entire Biradari will know it. When you marry a boy, you marry his entire family. Take time to know them well. Don't go by the fancy wrapper. Never be afraid to ask out the best looking girl in a room. If you don't, someone else will. This is a very competitive world. Wear expensive clothes. Wear expensive clothes. People will think 10 times before misbehaving with you. Always give the credit to others for a good work done, and take the blame if it's not so good. That will earn you a lot of respect. Write down your dreams. Keep reading them every day. Believe me, many of them will come true. Play with passion, or don't play at all. You will spoil the game if you don't. Remain cool like a duck, calm on the surface, and paddle like crazy underneath. You will disciples that way. You will win disciples that way. Hold your heroes to a high standard and keep inching towards them. One day, people will find their hero in you. If you need music on a beach, you are missing the point. Learn to soak in the beauty of the moment around you. Manners maketh the man. Never shake hands sitting down. It's bad manners. And when shaking, grip firmly and look in their eyes. That cuts like a razor. Be confident and humble at the same time. That kills most of the enemies. After writing an angry email, read it carefully, then delete it. Let's not ruminate. You can't take the bullet back. Let's face the consequences. This is very important. Return a borrowed car with a full tank of fuel. That's good for your reputation. Stand up the bullies and protect those bullied. That's our responsibility. In a negotiation, never make the first offer. You expose your underbelly if you do that. And if ever in doubt, remember your mission in life and refuse to be just ordinary. In all things, thank the God. Without the faith, you can't make it big in life. After all, we cannot control the wind, but we can direct the sail. Have a very good evening. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Okay. Now I would like to request Captain Ajay Yadav, HOD Nautical Science, to share his views with the students.
Okay, good evening everyone. I hope you all are very, very happy to be in this position when you are leaving this and going into the real world. Now, going into the real world, till now you were on the land and now you'll be at sea. The more world you'll be able to see that. Okay, now few things I would like to say that what you do on the ship, what is expected out of you. Now, what is expected out of you on the ship is that every time you should be smiling. Even if you are working more than 24 hours continuously, you have not got the sleep, your face should be smiling. Okay? The reason behind this is that if you keep yourself smiling, then you will remain happy and cheerful. Second thing, what is expected out of you on the ship is your attitude towards work, attitudes toward your studies. How are you doing further studies? Are you interested in some machineries opened up? Are you interested in learning what it is, how it is being boxed up again, all those things? Then your attitude towards your fellow seafarers. You will have multinational people on board. So 2-3 different nationalities will be there. So you should be able to connect with them, accept their ways of working, their culture, try to understand that, and then you can go ahead a lot. Then what else is expected out of you? When you go on the ship, you are representing yourself as a person, you are representing your ship, you are representing your company, you are representing your nation, and also you are representing Manet. So you have so much of burden representing everybody there on the ship, and when you are doing things, especially the deck cadets, you will be told to stand near the gangway, take up the people there to the captain, the visitors, that you are the representative of all this. You should welcome them accordingly. Okay, this is what is you have to have, just starting up, just boosting up on your thing, what are expected, or things expected from you on the ship. I don't want to take up much more time. You all are waiting for your further parties to go on. I'll cut short my speech. Thank you and enjoy everybody. Bon voyage.
Thank you so much, Captain Sir, for sharing your views with us. Now I would like to request one of the cadets amongst you who was studying amongst you. So I would like to call Cadet Nipun Saxena from BTech to share his experience with you all.
A very good evening to one and all. I am Nipun Saxena, an average student. Looking back, I can't help but imagine what life would have been like if I had chosen a normal engineering college. But then again, I wouldn't trade anything for the time that I had here. I'd be lying if I said that I haven't died inside a little every morning when the whistle blew at 5:30 a.m. My academy life has been a weird combination of joy and grief, of excitement and monotony, of smiles and cheers and pain and tears. But when I see some of my batchmates already treading the oceans and others guaranteed to set sail soon, I am reassured that the dream is real. I think most of us will agree with me when I say that we joined this institution wide-eyed, ambitious, and naive, dreaming of one day sailing over the blue, all the while making the sweet, sweet green. Now 40 theory, 20 practicals, one technical paper presentation, and a pandemic later, it is safe to say that we are equally fascinated, more passionate, and definitely a lot less gullible. The industry hasn't been kind to us, neither will the sea. And with the advent of a global epidemic, things surely haven't been easier. In this time, some of us have lost financial stability, some their loved ones, and many have been fighting mental health issues. On top of this, knowing that there is a wave of uncertainty coming for us when we cross managed threshold, feeling helpless is all but too natural. For that, I quote, "Whenever you hit rock bottom, the only place you can go is up." And yes, it is easier said than done. In all fairness, it might be the toughest phase of our lives. But there's two things that I have learned in the past few years. One is that the most important trait of a seafarer is perseverance. And secondly, every single one of us is tougher than the toughest. You guys might remember our seniors trying to impress upon us the difference between a cadet and a normal student. That the trajectory of our paths is meant to reach the skies. Now that we are the seniors, I absolutely agree, and I'm sure that all of us are destined for greatness. I wish all of you the very best in life. Bon voyage.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Nipun. Now I would like to call Chief Engineer Sandeep Kulkarni sir to share his views with all you.
A very good evening. I express my heartfelt greeting to Honorable President Dr. Mangesh Karat sir, distinguished guests on the dais, my faculty colleagues, and of course, not cadet but friends. On behalf of MIDA University, I welcome you all to thank you for this celebrating our special day. Mark Twain once said, "Never let schooling interference with education." Today, you are entering a new era of life by joining our seafarer family. Henceforth, you will be addressed as an officer and more friendly as a seafarer. You will feel a sense of pride as you sail across 5 oceans. The feeling of helping the world and touching lives cannot be described in mere words. Pandemic has shown the importance of seafaring. Not a single day, shipping trade was at standstill. For this, we all must feel proud and sense of prideness should be there. The shipping industry is changing very fast pace. One must meet the challenges and seek a fresh opportunity for employment. For this, you need to equip yourself and develop your capabilities. We need a fresh perspective and an attitude change. A degree is no longer a passage to a certain employment. There is a need to add new skill and latest technology. It is the need of our to also develop in you a sense of ownership and responsibility. The true success is not just achieving your goal, but to achieve them by following the code of conduct laid by the shipping industry. It is as well as your personal virtue and morality. MIT ADT is always open to you, those who want to do something out of box. During your selling experience, you might get so and different ideas to invent something new. We are here to turn your desire into a real dream and give you all possible to help you in your patent and innovation. It is my promise that I will help you to cross the bridge in our university. The future's only many challenges and opportunities for you. Each of you will have your own journey that is different from your friend. While some may reach their goal fast than others, and you may still find falling further away for your summit. Don't worry. Be rest assured, you will get there. Let it be an old time. It doesn't matter how quickly you reach there. What it matters is how you reach there and how long you hold on it. In next 15 to 20 years, I want all of you to come here, meet me as a captain and chief engineers. Each one of us has that potential to come and reach and credit a pinnacle. I will welcome you with a sense of pride and can say with almost joy that this officer was one of my cadets. With this hope, I wish you all the best for your final endeavor. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Sandeep sir, for sharing a wonderful speech with us. Now I would like to invite Cadet Ishani Sinha to share her memories and journeys with you all.
To accomplish great things, we must not only act but also dream, not only plan but also believe. Because until we believe in what we are, the target to achieve our dream will always be incomplete. A warm welcome and a very good evening to all the respected dignitaries, respected teachers, seniors, and my dear friends. Today, it feels like the time has lapsed in the blink of an eye. It feels that we have been standing at the main gate taking the step towards this institution for the very first day. And now today we have to step out after completion of a very long and precious journey of knowledge, wisdom, friendship, memories, and unforgettable moments. A journey that not only groomed us, but also made us realize that what are our own uniqueness. Teachers are said to be the torch bearers, and here they lit themselves to enlighten our future. A heartfelt thank to each respected teachers, captains, teaching and non-teaching staff for always being there and guiding us through this amazing journey of Manet. To the all students present over here, The dedication you showed throughout your student life is unimaginable, and there is no doubt that this dedication will take you to a new height in life. So keep believing in yourself at every stage, no matter what comes. And lastly, I would like to thank each and everyone present over here for a patient listening. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ashani. Now I would like to request Dr. Charulata Lunde ma'am to share her strategies on alumni relations.
Thank you, Hiral. Respected Dr. Mangeshkar sir, respected dignitaries on dais, and my friends. Good evening. You don't know me, but I'm sure henceforth we will be connected always and we will know each other. So, on today's pleasure winter evening, let me talk about a new concept what we have come up. MIT ADT University is now your home, and now in this home you have a MA, that is mother. MA, that stands for MIT ADT University Alumni Association. Now let me explain you in brief. I have given only 5 minutes, so let me explain you brief how this MA will work. I hope that, and I'm also sure that you have filled up the registration form at the registration desk. Also, you must have received email from alumni email addresses today in the morning. So please fill in the registration form. It will automatically make you a member of MA. Once you become member of MA, you will be a member at 3 different levels. That is, university MA membership will be there for lifetime. Secondly, you will be member of your own institution, that is Manet membership. And thirdly, you will be also be a member of a city chapter. So MA will work with institute chapter as well as city chapter. MA will definitely help you to get various facilities at universities. Definitely all the details will come back to your email address. Then MA is also looking forward for premium alumni engagement programs, like you can nominate for MA members, you can nominate to be a executive body member in MA. You can also be nominate yourself as a committee leader or committee head under the association. You can also nominate for various rewards and recognition scheme which we are launching. We will also share the university newsletters to all of you so that you will always be in touch with university. And also the alumni appreciation, alumni achievers information will be shared within the university. So we hope that MA will definitely work in between existing students and the alumni of our university. You can also be a part of your own institute. You can be a BOS, that is Board of Studies member. You can be a mentor to your junior students. You can also be, you can also carry out research projects. You can also use the facilities like research facilities. So there are n number of opportunities where you can engage yourself with the existing students. So with this, I end my short speech. Wish you very all the best, and with best wishes to you for your professional career. To end, I would like to quote Rahat Indori. Maybe like me, you are also be fond of Rahat Indori, and this is maybe more close to your heart as well. तूफानों से आँख मिलाओ, तूफानों से आँख मिलाओ, सैलाबों पर वार करो. तूफानों से आँख मिलाओ, सैलाबों पर वार करो, मल्लाहों का चक्कर छोड़ो, तैर के दरिया पार करो, तैर के दरिया पार करो. All the best.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I would like to request Cadet Shania Baptista to share her views on the farewell.
A pleasant evening to one and all present here. Firstly, I would like to thank God Almighty for this beautiful day. Thank you all for taking time out to be available here. Thank you for giving me this opportunity for speaking. Today is a memorable day for all of us because we have just ended an episode in our lives and we are about to start a new chapter of our journey. Exactly 1,600 days back, I had arrived in Manit. I was very excited as it was very first time away from home, all by myself to an unknown place, unknown people, in the same hostel, same room. Was a bit scared too, and always had these questions in my head. Will I do well here? Will I make it through? Seems tough though. I knew what I have been expecting from the academy, and I'm glad I really got it. I remember being nervous on the first day of the college, new faces, new surroundings. But today, standing here on the podium, I can name everyone present here. The best thing is my campus. The schedule was the best. The morning PT parade. The graph of progress wasn't linear. There were ups and downs, but yes, we made it through. Today, when all of us are here and this moment, we have to say goodbye to this lovely place. There will be classrooms, but we students are no longer sitting in there. There will be the small chat breaks, dreaming during lectures, wearing our uniform with pride, and walking by as cadets makes it painful to know that I can't do it ever again. It finally dawns upon me what a big piece of my life I'm leaving behind. I would like to thank all my students for supporting me throughout my years. There is a universal truth. We have to face whether we want it or not. Eventually, everything comes to an end. As much as I look forward to this day, I've always disliked endings, but endings are inevitable. I'm not going to say goodbye to anyone because goodbye means I'm not going to see you ever again. This is just the last day of our college. We are moving on, but just because we are leaving, it hurts. Anyways, let's enjoy this day with our open hearts. Thank you so much for giving such a lovely farewell with all this nostalgic about. Thank you, everyone.
Now I would like to request Captain Rajiv Kashikar sir to share his view with you all.
Good evening. My future captains and chief engineers I can see over here. Those lovely faces and the beautiful evening. Thank you very much for joining and thank you very much for gracing this occasion. Highly respected Dr. Karat sir has, with his blessings, now we are able to perform and do such a wonderful gathering. I hope such gatherings will keep on going. And I welcome you with open heart. Sail in the ship of ambition and birth on the land of success. Thank you very much. Good day.
Thank you so much, Chief Engineer Rajiv Kashikar sir, for his very crisp speech. Now I would like to invite Cadet Chaitanya Patil to share his view.
A very good evening to one and all present here. I take the opportunity to speak in front of you on one of the most awaited and important day of our life. Today, we will walk out of this campus with pride. Yes, we will walk out with the tag of graduates. Like every other journey, this one was full of ups and downs, but with a lot of excitement. Thick and thin, but with joy. To and fro, but inspirational. They say that we leave our homes and come to college for studying. But let me correct it by saying, we leave our homes, but we come to our second home. This campus has given us everything, but the important part amongst it was the meaning of life. While I'm excited and enthusiastic to share that we are certified graduates today, I'm also feeling sad that we will be leaving our home now. All the HODs, professors, tutors, and supporting staff have been extremely helpful, and they are the reason we are standing on this fateful day. Truly, we all have been our backbone, and I'm short of words to describe how important you all have been. To all my fellow batchmates, I would like to quote, Where there is discord, may we bring harmony. Where there is error, may we bring truth. Where there is doubt, may we bring faith. Where there is despair, may we bring hope. We are going to be the torchbearers of the modern India. We are going to walk with many responsibilities ahead. And apart from this, each one of you have been such a good friend of mine, and I am proud of us as an unit. I am very emotional today as we are present here for one last time as students. I'll be returning back with brimming box of memories. I would like to wish every one of you with best wishes as you will embark on your next journey, and I would like to express my gratitude towards each and every one present here today. Thank you so much for your patience.
Thank you so much. Now we will move ahead for our award ceremony. Now I would like to request our Honorable Executive President Sir and all the dignitaries present on the dais to felicitate the students. First, I would like to invite our gold medalist of Marine Engineering Batch 2022, Hariom Sharma, on the stage. Big round of applause. Yes. And I would like to request rank holder of Marine Engineering Batch 2021, Jayvardhan Singh Ranawat, on the stage. Now we would like to present few awards which were announced on Maritime Day. Utkarsh Maurya for Best Sportsman from BTech. Shania Baptista, Best Outgoing Girl and Best Sportsman from BTech. Rishikesh Parab for Best Outgoing Cadet from BSc Nautical Science. Tanvita Thakur, Best Sports from BSc Nautical Science. Saurabh Patankar for Best Sportsman from BSc Nautical Science. Essay writing competition winner Kanishk Roy. Thank you so much all the dignitaries for presenting the awards. Yes, I have mentioned as earlier the most awaited speech. The time is here now. I would like to invite our Honorable Executive President Dr. Mangesh Karat sir to share his word of wisdom with you all.
What a lovely evening to Manesians and to all of us, all the principal, deans and the office bearers of the MIT ADT University. It is a really very memorable evening, I can say. I know you people have taken admission in Manet with a great aspiration few years back, 4 years back, 3 years back, to BSc course and BTech course, and now you have graduated today, I think. This, our convocation is going to happen in the next month, but I can say you are graduated today. And so, firstly, I convey my congratulations to you and your family members for achieving the great success of, making your dream true, becoming the marine engineer and the captain and, engineers. That is a very, very wonderful, very advantageous profession, I can say. People join marine engineering or the maritime profession with the great hope. I really congratulate you for choosing this profession, because this is a very, very bold decision to join this, profession. Otherwise, nowadays, there are so many other professions, but the attractions of the computer engineering and other management, the courses are there. But even then, you people have chosen this maritime profession, so that is a very wonderful decision. You people are going to be the global citizens, the global professionals. That is going to be very, very great thing. You will be able to see the whole world and you are very excited to step on the ship. That also I know. I know last 2 years your batches have suffered because of the corona, almost 1.75 years. That is a 21 month our country got locked. There are waves and typhoons have affected our country and the whole world. But even then, our university, the Manet staff, and you people have shown that, that tenacity and that resilience, and you people have completed your graduation. That is a wonderful thing. I know, being a graduate of any university is one thing. I know now the Kashikarji has, he has talked to you. I know the placement of the marine engineering are affected very much. On the other hand, the computer engineering and other courses, their placements are 90%. The companies are asking more and more engineers, but do not worry. This is a cycle which happens in every field, and in marine engineering after 20 years, this is the cycle. I think Mr. Kulkarni, Sandeep Kulkarni, Captain Yadav will tell you. I was just discussing with Shri Sanjay Raneji and one of the other maritime professional. He was telling me in 23 now people have started booking, a lot of ships, new orders have gone, and from year 2023 again the demand is going to shoot up very high. So that is a very positive thing, and this cycle is in every profession, so do not worry about that. And my friends, what Manet, one of the cadet has rightly said, Manet or this MIT has taught you how to live the life. So that is important. You have learned the skills here. Manet has definitely given you the skill, but the overall, where you have stayed in the campus for 3 years and 4 years, I think we have impacted your mindset. You have learned what is the right in the life, what is the right path of the life, and what is the wrong path of the life, how we can become, the good citizens or the we can say the enlightened citizens of the world. So that is the biggest passion of our founder, Dr. Karat sir. MIT is working to, mold our students in that direction. Not only MIT, all institutions, right from school, colleges. So that we have tried to imbibe in this college, in this university. In last 3-4 years, from 2017, this university has started functioning. This university has given ample opportunities to tap your potential, maybe in sports, maybe in other activity, cultural activity, writing skills, debate. I'm very happy to, especially congratulate the prize winners, the gold medal. I think he has already graduated from last year. Mr. Sharma is here, and all the prize winners. I really congratulate them. I think you have to keep that passion alive in you, because our country need more and more heroes, not only in technical areas. We need more and more medals in sports. We want more and more Neeraj Chopras and so many other medal winners. And this is going to be the perpetual requirement of our country. We have to fight with the whole world. Fortunately, I think Modi ji has really, he is leading the country. Our policies are recrafted, and very bright future is coming up for our country. And when it is coming for our country, I think the future is bright for every one of us, right from all engineers. The world is preferring India as, the best country. Indian people are preferred by the world. People have started, they were knowing Indians are genius, but now they have realized the importance of Indians. So that is a very important part. So you people are really lucky. You are in the golden period of the development. Now the whole world, the big companies are coming to India. They are setting up their, Bangalore, Madras, the Chennai, Hyderabad, Pune, Delhi. These cities have become the centers of the business, development, research, innovation. Everything is happening. I know you are a marine engineer, but you cannot keep yourself only in that domain, only in that silo. You also have to read something outside your domain. You have to understand where the world is going, what is the trend, what are the trends of the world, how the technology is changing, and nobody has prevented you to learn other areas. You people have to learn the computer engineering, or you have to be very digitally updated in the today's world. The ships are now changing, and everywhere artificial intelligence is, they are, covering all the technologies, core technologies, data science, Internet of Things. Who knows tomorrow's ships, how they will run. And, the drones are coming. So you have to be updated in the globalized world. Only, single standalone faculty will not survive. So mechanical engineers, now they are covering. Now there are no admissions for mechanical engineering. You people are, I mean to say, there is the trend is of a multiple, merging of a multiple faculties. So this is a very important factor. Even whenever you are free from your sea time, or till you have time to go on the ship, you should learn and keep you digitally updated. This is a very important aspect. Somebody has said we should become the chief engineers and the captains of the ship. That is your prime objective, but nobody has prevented you to join, appear for the competitive exams. You go for the IS exams, or you can become the, ambassador of the country. Few of the Manasians, they have already appeared for that exams, and I think one or two of our ex-students, they have become the, the collectors, IS officers. So do not prevent you from, keep your eyes quite wide open, read and try to enter into those areas. If you have a liking for the entrepreneurship, try to learn how to do, innovation in a particular area with the help of the technology. You are basically engineers. So innovation, you can adopt the innovation, and after a few years, maybe after 5 years or 10 years, you can work in that area. Flavor of management education, if you do the degree in the management education, that will also add the value to your education. So these are the things by which you can make your degree versatile degree. So that is a very important part. We have to change. Even though you have decided to work only on, ship, but who knows where you will land up and where you will prosper. So try to capture all the options, try to update your knowledge. Learning has not stopped. Only one step, one stage, you have covered basic necessity of the, to become the professional is acquired by you today. It does not mean you should not learn more, you should not update yourself more. It is not like that, so you are open. Try to learn as much as you can and try to read as much as you can, which will always help you. And whatever you read, you have to apply that knowledge, how I can use that knowledge in my country, at my place, in my city, for my profession. So that will really make you more, more rich in your profession, more rich in your life. So that is a very important aspect. Friends, what can I say more? But it is a very memorable day for every student who is passing out today, and this is a send-off for you people. So enjoy these, nostalgic moments of the life, 3 years, 4 years in the college. You might have enjoyed in a different ways your episodes in the Persona Festival or in the hostel, fights in the hostel. So enjoy that. Maintain the friendship with your students throughout the life, because these friends are very precious. You will get number of people, acquaintances. You will get more and more people in your life. But the friendship, what you have developed today in the Manet, in these 3-4 years, is a really precious. These people will always support you. They will always, love you throughout your life. So maintain that. And for Manet, our alumni cell is already activated now. Our Dr. Charu Londe has already briefed you. So whenever you are going to come to Pune, and if you want any help, our guest house is there. You can come and stay at a guest house with your family. You can mail to our alumni cell. So these are the other things you can associated with Manet. You can, unless you people, give the feedback to Manet principal, Manet HODs, Manet will not get rich. No, this is a two-way process. You people, Manet has given you something. We are not asking to give you money back, but we are saying you can, make the Manet more and more richer, or enrich the quality of the Manet by giving the feedback, by giving the connectivity, how we can improve. You can come on some time to talk to our students, ongoing batches of the Manet. So as an alumni, you can do that. So this is our appeal. Be connected with a Manet. So that will be the real, real Guru Dakshana, I will say. It is, so that is the required. So my friends, I will not take much of your time. Now, once again, I convey my best, wishes for your future life, your future, endeavor, and for convey my regards to your family members, and be connected. With these words, I conclude my small speech. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. It's always a delight to listen to you. Now I would like to request Professor Govind Ghule sir to present vote of thanks.
Thank you, ma'am. First of all, let me feel the energy of Manet cadets over here. Come on, guys. We have toppers in sports department, in academics department. Let me feel that energy for one more time. Come on. Very good. Thank you. Now, it gives me an immense pleasure to deliver a vote of thanks for this wonderful event to all the dignitaries who are assembled here. I would like to thank our Honorable Executive President, Sir, Professor Dr. Mangesh Karad, Sir, who honored this function with his inspirational thoughts. I also want to thank him for granting our request to have this wonderful farewell evening of Batch 2021. I would also like to thank our Pro Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Anant Chakradev sir, Registrar Dr. Mahesh Chopade sir, for blessing this occasion with their presence. The grand success of this event is obviously incomplete without the presence of all deans, directors, and our beloved cadets and faculties. It is observed that for smooth functioning of this event, each and everyone has helped a lot, including faculties, staff members, volunteers, and peons as well. So they also deserve a kind words of appreciation from all of us. Now, let me take an opportunity to say a few words for our future brand ambassadors of Manet, that is our passing out cadets. You all must have gone through a wonderful time, and I completely understand that it is always difficult to say a goodbye to this wonderful institute. The time that you have spent here in campus, and especially in hostel, will never come back in your life, so these memories are like irreplaceable. You all have learned so many things here in Manet, especially about the importance of discipline that you should follow in your life. Each and every one of us in Manet has always emphasized you on discipline so as to make you mentally and physically strong. So, इसी सुनहरे मौके पे मैं एक शेर यहाँ पे अर्ज करना चाहता हूँ. नज़र को बदलो तो नज़ारे बदल जाते हैं, सोच को बदलो तो सितारे बदल जाते हैं. कश्तियां बदलने की जरूरत नहीं है यहाँ, दिशा को बदलो तो खुद ब खुद किनारे बदल जाते हैं. I would also like to thank each and every one of you on behalf of Devgavkar sir in his absence. I wish each and every one of you to have a great future ahead. Now, there is one small announcement that I wanted to do here, which I have received from exam department of Manet, that you all are just getting passed out over here. So I request each and every one of you to upload your passport size photo on the ERP platform, because the same photo will be printed on your degree certificate. So kindly consider this as urgent and please do the needful. Now, I request all the dignitaries and cadets to enjoy this wonderful evening and to have a delicious dinner. After the dinner, we have planned a small gift distribution program, and the details of that are mentioned at the registration desk and also at the notice board. Okay? So I each and every one of you to have a great future ahead. Once again, I thank you everyone for your presence. Take care guys and be safe. Thanks a lot. Bye. All the dinner parties over here. One small announcement for Manet faculties and Karad sir as well, so that we can have a small group photo over here. I request Manet faculties to please come on stage, please.